You press his what? What do you press?
I don't know.
His button?
His button?
Oh, does he have to go to the gas station?
No. This is the dash me.
Are you saying that Theodore Chipmunk has to go to the gas station?
No.
Or
Did he forget to go to the bathroom when he was home? He has to stop off and go to the bathroom? Is that what it's all about?
Dash man. These two
he's
are
the gas.
He's the gas man?
Beep.
You mean he pumps the gas?
No, not that. He cleans his windows.
Oh my goodness.
Windows.
Apparently you go to full service gas stations.
I gotta go to this gas station.
Full service gas stations are the best.
You're brushing his teeth.
But you can't get very many of them in New York State anymore.
Okay, now you done. No,
Pisano's in Goshen, New York, Sunoco. Used to be full service. I don't know if they still are. Great place.
I wish I had a full service gas station.
Just go down to New Jersey. They're all full service down there in Montague.
I know.
Yeah. That's where I go get my gas. And it's 30 cents cheaper. Woo! In these days of difficult gas prices, it's good if you don't drive a Prius to go to the cheapest gas station. But you know what? That's not always the same thing for everything, right? You don't want to buy the cheap car, do you?
No, you don't.
No, you don't, Chandler said. You don't want to have people even that you don't feel are worthwhile, because then your relationships aren't going to work out. You want to be with people that value you and that you value. That's important. Absolutely. Like I value you.
I value you.
I value Callie, I value you.
I value you.
I know you do.
I value the doctor.
I know you both do. Yeah, it's important to be around people that make you happy.
What happened?
What happened?
Make videos with them.
Now the chain fell
Life should be
down.
good,
Now
you know?
have to tail him.
The car is carrying the train?
Now the bee.
Why is the car like underneath the bus?
That's not a bus.
It's a train.
Oh, it's a train? Well, oh my goodness, why is the car underneath the train?
I don't know.
He's carrying.
Oh my goodness.
Can the garbage truck carry him?
What about who?
Superman.
Well, Superman could definitely carry a train.
Zoo.
What about this?
No, a chipmunk can't carry
A chipmunk
train.
cannot carry a train. But you know what, buddy? I bet you someday can be so cool that you could carry heavy loads. Now, they won't be heavy loads physically. Like, I don't think you'll be able to carry a train.
What is that?
What?
What is that?
Are you pressing that button again?
Nuh-uh.
He's pressing that button again. That's silly. But no, you'll be able to carry emotional burdens, right? You'll be able to have a good life, right? You want to have your own family someday? Yeah? Okay, cool. Well, that's being able to carry burdens. Families, they bring plenty of burdens, don't they? They do, but pleasant ones. Pleasant ones. That first tooth coming out unexpectedly, right?
Yeah, I remember that.
All those trips to the emergency room.
What's this look?
Greg.
Can that be the... That's where we
It's
get
love.
tires.
It's fun.
Tonight.
It's enjoyable.
A pool.
A pool? That's a pool for the
Good
cars?
stuff.